Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Home Fitness Challenge YouTube, my channel, ready to flip the script on your fitness journey without stepping foot in a gym? No gym? No problem. 14-day fat burn challenge for girls is your unstoppable kickstart to feeling stronger, slimmer, and more confident, using nothing but your body, your space, and your determination. This isn't just a challenge. It's a powerful reset designed to ignite your metabolism, sculpt lean curves, and boost energy. 2 weeks. Zero equipment. Maximum results. Your transformation starts now. Metabolic activation is where everything begins, and it's one of the most overlooked steps in a home workout routine. Before you jump into anything intense, your body needs a gentle signal, something that tells your muscles, joints, and nervous system, we're about to work. These early minutes are not about speed. They're about intention. Slow, controlled movements help raise your core temperature, improve circulation, and switch on the muscle groups you'll depend on throughout the session. It's the moment your mind reconnects with your body, helping you feel grounded, aware, and ready. And when you activate properly, every rep that follows becomes more effective, more powerful, and far safer. Think of it as flipping the switch from everyday mode to performance mode. You're not just warming up, you're preparing your metabolism to ignite, so fat burning happens faster and more consistently. This is the foundation of the entire challenge, the part that sets the tone for the results you want. Treat it with intention, move with purpose, and let your body rise into the work ahead. Daily 15 to 20-minute home workouts are the heart of this challenge because they remove every excuse and make consistency feel achievable. You don't need a gym, a special setup, or a long block of time. You just need a small space and a willingness to show up. These sessions are intentionally short so you can commit fully, giving your energy in focus bursts rather than dragging through an hour you don't enjoy. And when you train with intention, your body responds quickly, your heart rate rises, your muscles activate deeply, and your metabolism stays elevated long after you're done. Each day builds on the last using simple bodyweight movements that are easy to learn but highly effective when performed with control. This format fits into a busy life, and that matters, because the real secret to fat loss is repetition, not perfection. The more often you show up, the more your body adapts, burning more calories, improving endurance, and sculpting strength you can see and feel. This is about making fitness part of your rhythm, not a chore. The fat burn formula in this challenge is built on a simple but powerful combination. Short bursts of intensity followed by slow, controlled toning work. This pairing trains your body to burn calories quickly, then shape and define the muscles you're using. When you push your heart rate up, even for a few seconds at a time, your body taps into stored energy fast. And when you follow that with targeted strength moves, you create the kind of muscle activation that continues burning calories long after the workout is over. It's a rhythm your body adapts to quickly. Work, recover, sculpt, repeat. This approach is especially effective at home because it requires no equipment, just your effort and your focus. Every interval teaches your body how to handle intensity, and every toning move reinforces control, stability, and balance. As the days pass, you'll feel stronger, lighter, and more aware of how your body moves through each phase of the workout. It's a formula that doesn't just burn fat, it builds confidence with every session. Training in a way that supports your hormones is one of the most important parts of this challenge, because your body reacts to stress differently than you might expect. High intensity is powerful, but too much of it, especially without recovery, can raise cortisol and make fat loss harder, not easier. That's why these sessions are structured with smart pacing, controlled progression, and movements that challenge your body without overwhelming it. You're building strength, endurance, and balance in a way that feels natural rather than draining. When your training respects your hormonal rhythm, you recover faster, your energy stays stable, and your results come more consistently. You'll notice that some days feel stronger than others, and that's normal. Your body has its own flow, and this challenge works with that instead of fighting it. Over time, you'll feel more connected to your body's signals, more aware of what it needs, and more confident in how you move. This isn't just about burning fat, it's about creating a healthy internal environment where your progress can actually thrive. Recovery is where your body absorbs the work you've done and turns effort into progress, which is why low-impact days are a crucial part of this challenge. These days aren't a break from the journey, they're part of the journey. Gentle stretching, mobility flows, and light movement help reduce inflammation, loosen tight areas, and keep your joints healthy so you can train harder on the days that count. When you move slowly and intentionally, you give your muscles space to repair and rebuild, which is exactly what leads to noticeable changes in strength, tone, and energy. It also keeps your mind in the right place. Instead of stopping and starting, you maintain momentum without burning out. These sessions are designed to feel supportive, grounding, and restorative, like hitting a reset button that prepares you for the next push. Over time, you'll notice you recover faster, stay more consistent, and feel more balanced both physically and mentally. This challenge isn't about going all out every day, it's about learning how to listen to your body and give it exactly what it needs to grow. Mindset is the quiet force behind every physical change you're trying to create, and in this 14-day challenge, it becomes just as important as the workouts themselves. Fat loss isn't only about movement, it's about showing up for yourself even on the days you don't feel motivated. When you train your mind to stay consistent, you build a discipline that carries you through the hard moments and keeps you aligned with your goals. Each day you commit, you strengthen that internal voice that says, I can do this. And over time, that voice becomes louder than doubt, stronger than excuses, and more reliable than motivation alone. This mindset work teaches you how to trust your body, respect your effort, and create habits that last far beyond these 14 days. You'll start noticing small shifts, more confidence, more clarity, more belief in what you're capable of. That's not an accident, that's the result of choosing to show up day after day. This challenge isn't just shaping your body, it's reshaping the way you think about your health, your power, and your potential.